Hey guys, it's Sarah Taylor. This is a 12 by 12 painting called Lupin, acrylic on canvas, and these are my colors. That's Charvin Indigo mixed with a Phthalo Turquoise. That's Nickel Azo Gold by Golden, and I mixed in a little bit of Arteza Marmalade, which is a metallic, and Modern Masters Rich Gold, and that's a Rose Pink by Liquatex Basics. That's Modern Masters Iridescent Pearl, and I mixed in some Golden Fluids Titanium White. That's kind of a random gray. I don't think I'm going to use it. I don't think I did use it. And then that is mostly Prussian Blue by Amsterdam, and there's some Payne's Gray in there as well. And then here's a tinted base coat. It's just kind of a very light beigey gray. And then Decor 24 karat gold and my light pink cloud over mixture. I'll put the recipes in the bottom. And so, yeah, this is painting number 5 out of my 6-piece series of small canvases that I'm working on. And it's been really fun. I love these different variations of kind of the same technique, just really playing with color theory and, you know, working out some different details with the technique, so it's been really fun. And so as far as consistencies, I mean, you can really see how thin the paint is. I did add just a little bit of chalk paint in the base coat, and it was just an Art Minds oyster colored chalk paint. So yeah, this is kind of the same method that I've just been loving, and there's times where I seem to just fall in love with fluid art all over again, and this is definitely one of those times in my journey with this medium and it's happened before, where you just get really involved and really excited about something that you're involved with, and it's wonderful. It's such a great outlet. Everything else kind of melts away for me when I'm in my studio creating. So I can't tell you how much I love all the support you guys are presenting me. It just really is so encouraging and heartwarming and wonderful. So thank you so much. My Instagram, there's a link below, and I'm just kind of building some different content there as well if you want to come check it out. So yeah, this is Lupin, and I'm going to follow it up with an 11 by 14, just kind of following suit with the rest of this series. And I hope you enjoy it. It's the colors go a little haywire, but the cloud mixture on top for me just kind of pulls everything together, and it gives a lot of opportunity for so much variation in composition and effect, and it's just really fun to work with. And when you see me come back in over the top with the pink, that light pink paint, that is the cloud over. That's the technique that I'm referring to. All right, have a beautiful day and take great care, and I'll be back soon with another painting. Thank you. Bye.